Alright guys, congratulations because Grass Airdrop have successfully distributed dust to people that farm their airdrop for more than 1 year. Alright, so welcome to the video guys. We are going to be talking about Grass Airdrop. Alright, so looking over here, this is my own Grass dashboard, and of course right here you can see there have been changes. This is the website version. Of course there have been a lot of changes and a lot of things, but today being the 22nd of July 2026, Grass Airdrop has finally distributed token, and the allocation checker is now live, meaning that you can now go ahead and check your own grass allocation. But the funniest part, just like I said at the beginning of this video, they actually distributed dust. All right, so now let me quickly brief you on when the Grass Airdrop actually started their season 2, when they began their season 2. It actually started on the 14th of October 2024. Yes, you had that right, 2024 till now being the 22nd of July 2026, which literally means that we farmed this season 2, the Grass Airdrop season 2, for 1 year, 7 months and 25 days. Now after 1 year, 7 months and 25 days, majority of us got something that is very, very similar to this. You can see it right here on my dashboard. A lot of people got way less than this. All right, so this simply means that Grass Airdrop distributed dust. They simply distributed dust to every single person. Now looking over here right now, like I said, this is my my dashboard. This is my current earning on the approach 20, and of course looking over here on the allocation, you can see this is the overall statistics of my activities. For example, right here I have about 238 network points, about 5 million uptime point, and of course days active is about 533. That is over 1 year, you can imagine. Now the devices that I used about 5 devices on this particular account, because I was changing phone along the line, and of course I have about 472 referrals right here. That's absolutely great, and of course it's amazing. Now this is what I was able to get. You can see it right here. This is what they gave me for all those efforts. You can see it. I mean, this is actually, I'm surprised to actually come across this, because I was thinking that Grass Airdrop is going to be very, very, benefiting to the people that participated. But my greatest surprise is that social value airdrop was way more better than this Grass Airdrop. This is what I have right here, 1.49 USDC. But I have a question. Now, why is it that they are giving us USDC instead of Grass token? That is my question. All right, that is my question. Now if you reason it very well, you get to understand that they are not supposed to be giving us USDC. They are supposed to be giving us Grass token. You understand? So this has actually led me to somehow conclude that this is not the real Grass Airdrop allocation somehow, because they are not supposed to give us USDC. They're supposed to give us Grass token. They have their own native token. So tell me your thought about this on the comment section. Do you think this is our final airdrop allocation? Because it is somehow not believable. Moreover, we are still on the approach 20, which counts towards the season 2. So somehow I believe that this is not really the final Grass Airdrop allocation. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. This is my personal opinion. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Now over here right now, in case you are seeing something like this, that the claim is only available to user with fully updated app, what you need to do is simply click on this button right here. You can see this link, underline link. Click on it and they are going to take you to where you need to simply download the latest version of the app. And once you download the latest version of the app, then you are going to be seeing the claim button. So looking down, you can see this is my representation of my uptime and of course my network point, and of course this is my allocation breakdown, how I got it all and all that. All right, so it's very, very simple. You can go ahead and check yours, and of course users rewarded 6.29 million USDC over network points. I don't really know, but probably this is a reward for the network points. I don't know if we should actually do the calculation properly. Okay, now let me find out something right here real quick. Okay, I think what we got right here is actually the network points reward. I don't really know, but let me just simply do the calculation right now real quick to find out where the money actually came from. Now, one network point according to them is okay, first of all, my total network point is 238.4, right? Now multiplied by network point, each network point is equivalent to 0.0049. okay, so you can see this is what I got right here, 1.1c. so I think this allocation that we got right here is the allocation from the network point, not actually from the from the uptime point. So in case you are seeing something very little right here, I think we should just let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Okay, let me know your thoughts on the comment section. All right, so you can see this is what people got multiplied by their network points, not their uptime point. So the grass airdrop is still coming. So they have you can see terms and eligibility. I'll be talking about this later, but basically this is what I have to share with you guys right now. So do not give up. I think we still have a way a kind of a long way to go, though the community call is coming on the 7th of July, which is this month. Let's see what they have to say. But I think what we were rewarded was actually the network point. That was reward for network point, not the uptime point. All right, so this is my tongue. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and like this video for more updates like this from crypto and Web3 as a whole, and a lot of things like AI. That is what I provide for you guys on this channel, if you don't know yet. All right, so thank you, and do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll be talking to you on the next update that I'll be dropping very, very soon.